will create one Spring Boot application and we will connect our Spring Boot project with mysql database. So let's first generate our project from Spring Initializer. So let's open Spring Initializer in browser. Now select maven here, select Spring Boot version. I will create one employee project. Now uh, add our dependency. So first we will add web dependency, then we will add JPA dependency, then add DevTools for auto serving, then let's add mysql. mm, yeah, mysql. So generate this project and download it. It has been downloaded. So let's first unzip it as it is in zip format. So it has been unzipped. So let's import our project here. Import projects, maven, existing new projects, next, browse. Employee to finish. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. So as we can see, the project has been imported. So let's create our package, entity package. Let's try to create again. Dot entity. Now create our repository package. Dot repo. Now create our entity class, that is employee. Now we will create one repository interface. So that will be interface employee repo. Mark this employee class as entity. Add fields, ID, name, address, and let's take salary. Fine. So mark ID as ID annotation. Okay, and also uh, add a Lombok annotation. So as Lombok dependency is not added, so first we will add Lombok dependency. We will copy this and add it in pom.xml. Save it. Now let's try to add data annotation. Yeah, now it's came. So we can access all the getters and setters from data annotation. Fine. Now save it. Let's open a repository. Then we will extend it with JPA repository. The class is employee. Import it. Then ID is our integer. That's it. Now let's open the property file and do the SQL configurations. So first we will go to my bench workbench SQL. We will create one database, create a schema, name it with employee, apply. So executed SQL statements. So see, one database has been created. As of now, no table is created. Now let's go to ID. We need to do some configurations to connect our project with MySQL. So first of all, we will add data source URL, spring.data source dot URL equal to jdbc colon mysql colon / localhost colon 3306. As we know, SQL run default port number is 3306 / database name, that is employee. Okay, now we will give credentials of our database. So spring dot data source dot username. Our username is root. Now give password. Data source dot password equal to give password of your database. Okay, now let's give the dialect and driver class name. So spring dot jpa dot properties dot hibernate dot dialect equal to warz dot hibernate dot dialect dot mysql at dialect. Fine. Now give driver class name, spring dot data source dot driver class name, and driver class name is com dot mysql dot cj dot driver. It is suggesting, so press enter. Now we will add few properties so that we can see our SQL command in console. So give spring dot jpa dot show sql equal to true, and also we will need to auto creation of tables and auto update. So we will add one more property, spring dot jpa dot hibernate dot ddl auto equal to update. That's it. Now let's save it and run the project. employee.repo. Let's renew this to package also. Remove one employee. Okay. Now this one also. Now we can run the project. Run as Java application. Started employee application. Okay. So as we can see one SQL command in our console. So let's go to the mysql workbench and check if table is created or not. So first of all refresh it. Expand employee table. One table has been created and the name of the table is employee. Whatever the name is the entity, and ID, address, name, everything came. So thank you. In next video we will see we will make CRUD application and add employee data and delete it, update it. So we will see this one in next video. Thank you.